what you receive are two separate massage balls and the connecting shaft in the middle. You can use the two balls separately. The hardness of the two balls is different. So this is a hard ball, this is a soft ball. Two balls can be used all over the body. You can choose according to the degree of pain that you can bear. Of course, it can also be assembled and used as a peanut ball. So you'll pick up a ball, place it on the shaft on one of the sides, aim the hole onto the shaft, you press it lightly and twist it 6 to 7 times until it can be twisted, and repeat on the other side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Place the peanut ball on the floor and lie down slowly, feeling the alignment of the spine. Okay, what I'm about to attempt is very dangerous. So FitBeast has asked me to demonstrate the use of the peanut in the lateral movement fashion. This was the standard movement along the spine, and this is the lateral movement. Here we go. When you do a side-to-side movement with this device, I'll probably do it like this. It is very painful to roll it laterally or horizontally. So what I'm doing instead is just keeping it fixed in one spot and rotating my body around it like an axis. Oh. The third movement they want me to demonstrate is dynamic movement by moving the nearby joints. I can imagine they want to use this in the form of a foam roller, and we have a exercise on the foam roller where you lie down and you kind of use this as something that kind of opens up your chest. You can move your arms like this. I'm kind of seeing stars a little bit because of all the pressure. Both arms. Also do a lateral pec stretch like this by opening up your arms. Ooh. Remind the audience that you can use each individual ball in the above 3 ways: standard, lateral, and dynamic. So I'll pick the softer one at first. The standard movement. So what will make more sense is if you do these movements with a Swiss ball, the big inflatable balls, and using this. But I'll demonstrate just to show you how painful it is. Okay. The standard movement. Now the lateral movement with a single ball. And lastly, dynamic movement. I want to remind you that the peanut ball can be used on the wall, and that the ground is more aggressive than the wall. So I'm bending my knees. This is the lateral version, much more doable against the wall. I would not recommend using the lateral movement on the floor. The wall is much better. Now to demonstrate single ball. Dynamic. This is upper back. This is lower back. Actually, for lower back, I think I'll just let it stay there and let me do a little bit of hip movement like that. Push the knees out and back. If you're gonna use this for lower back, I think it's better to do just a single ball. How I would do it is position where your muscle spasm is. Just lie down and just let it sink in. Honestly, I wouldn't even move. I'll just let it sink in. Let me do a little hip movement to put more pressure, less pressure, more pressure, less pressure. For upper back, if you have increased stress, that will gather tightness in your upper back. If you have poor posture, that will gather pressure in your upper back muscles. For your lower back, if you just strain your lower back and you have some muscle spasms in your lower back, that would represent increased tension in the lower back area. How I'll use this for a shoulder is, for the shoulder blade, I would actually I'll use either the peanut or just the one ball, and it's the same as how you use this for upper back. That's in your shoulder blade already, and the exact same movement as you would do for upper back. So that's for your shoulder blade. For other parts of the shoulder, I'll actually do this in standing against the wall. For the front of the shoulder, like your pecs, position it like so. Do a little side to side, like that. Or you can do a little up and down if you want. For your deltoid, side to side, up and down. For the shoulder, you would have increased tension in your shoulder from poor posture, any shoulder injury really, rotator cuff strain, any shoulder strain, bursitis. For the neck, I typically use this type of structure for a suboccipital release, and I put this right under the base of my skull. To be honest, I wouldn't do any of the movements from here. I'll just let it sink in. Just breathe. Oof. Just let it sink in and breathe. Yes, it is cushion enough that you can kind of use this for your mid-cervical spine. It kind of looks like one of those chiropractor pillows that realigns your neck. Even then, you're not really supposed to move while you're in this position. So I'm going to attempt to use a single ball for the neck in the standing position and see how it feels. Okay, so let's say that I have tension in my upper trapezius, close to my C71, and I'll just position it from here, and you can kind of do a lateral movement here to roll it slightly, or maybe a little bit up and down here. Alright, so this is borderline upper back and borderline neck. It's not too bad. Why you will have increased tension in your neck includes stress, gathers tension in your neck and shoulders, poor posture, whiplash injury. If you were in a car accident, you suffer whiplash injury to the neck, you could have increased tension in your neck as well. Not that I would recommend doing any type of intense massaging right after a car accident. Probably do something more gentle, like gentle massage. The TFL, tensor fascia latte. So let's start with the peanut, and I'll position it right here We'll start from the hip and roll it down toward, woo, ow, ooh, toward the knee. So that's a standard movement. A lateral movement. I don't think you're supposed to use the peanut for lateral movement, but I will attempt it anyways. Oh, 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 very intense, very painful. Oh, yeah, don't do that. Don't do that. It's not worth it. No, it's not worth it. Let's see how it feels with a single ball. Ooh. Ah. Okay. Whew. A lot more intense. Okay, next lateral. Ooh. Oh. 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 A lot of pain. A lot of pain. Okay, so typically you would do rolling like this with a foam roller. This is a lot more painful. If you love pain, go for it. I don't love pain. I don't love pain. Yeah. And this is really the only way to do TFL rolling. If you want, you can use this as just a massage device. It feels good. It's not painful. You can do standard. You can do lateral. Yeah, no pain, just massage. While you have increased tension in this area, if you have TFL syndrome, if you have ITB syndrome, and these you will get a lot of times from you're a runner, a jogger, if you walk a lot, and you have some muscle imbalance such as weakness in your gluteus medius that forces more load of your body weight onto your TFL. Hip and glute. Peanut first. So that's where my glute is. Oh, a lot of pain. A lot of pain. A lot of it. So that's standard movement. Okay. This is lateral movement. That was better. That was less pain. Lateral was better for the glute. Okay, single ball. I'm feeling that I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this for single ball, but I will demonstrate it for content. Glute. Ooh. Oh. Standard. Oof. Oof. A lot of pain. Oh, pain. Lateral. Ooh. Also a lot of pain. It's 90 better. 90 better. For glute, use peanut. Don't use a single ball. You could have tight glutes from sitting a lot, just doing a lot of walking. You could have tight glutes from doing a lot of glute exercises, mostly bridges and deadlifts, hip thrusts. Those are very glute intensive exercises. Nice. Hamstrings. Here we go. This is the standard. Actually feels pretty good. Yeah, pretty good. Lateral. That's not too bad. Single ball. Single. Standard. And lateral. Alright. So you could have tight hamstring just by sitting a lot. You could also have that from a lot of walking, a lot of jogging, a lot of running. Next is quad. Peanut first. Okay. So, it's not bad actually. It's not bad. Lateral movement for quad. Yeah, it's not bad. Single ball. this is not too bad. Lateral, ooh, this hurts. This hurts. Lateral hurts. I have tight quads from walking a lot, running, like squats, lunges, climbing a lot of stairs, hiking. Those are all very quad intensive exercises. Next, calves. Hey, not calves. Just like that. Oh, it feels pretty good actually. Feels pretty good. Lateral. Lateral. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Single ball. So standard. Yeah. Okay, a little more intense. A little more intense. A little pain. Not too bad. Lateral. Ooh. Ow. Ow. I don't like that. Oh, yeah, not recommended. I wouldn't recommend lateral for single ball for calf. You'll have tension in your calves, a lot of walking, a lot of standing. You'll have tight calves, a lot of stairs, a lot of running, a lot of jumping. If you play basketball, volleyball, soccer, even baseball. For feet, I don't think you're supposed to do peanut for standard movement for feet, because you kind of just massage inside and the outside of the foot and nothing in the middle. But if you turn it into vertical position for lateral movement, yeah, now you just massage the balls and the heels, not really getting the middle of the foot. If you use a single ball, then you get everything. So you get all of the foot, standard position, lateral. Tightness in the muscles of your feet. If you walk a lot, if you're on your feet a lot, you could develop plantar fasciitis. That could cause increased tension in the muscles of your foot. You can make your own FitBeast. To be more exact, you can make your own peanut massage ball, just with 2 tennis balls and some duct tape. It feels almost the same. The advantage that FitBeast has over the tennis balls is that it is more versatile in the number of surfaces that you can use it on. You can use it on almost any type of flooring, whether it's carpet, hardwood floor, tiles. With tennis peanut massage balls, it is much more slippery. So if you want to use it on the floor, you would need something like a yoga mat to keep it from slipping too much. On carpet, has much more trouble rolling because carpet is so soft. Tennis balls are on the small side, so it kind of gets stuck in the carpet. That's what FitBeast has advantage over, because it is much larger. It is much more stable, it has better grip. That's a large advantage that it has over the tennis balls. In terms of use, other than those considerations, tennis balls work great once you can solve the surface problems. You use it exactly the same way, except you don't take them apart like you do for the FitBeast. What I recommend is that you just keep the container for 3 tennis balls, and you'll have 2 that's taped up to be a peanut massage ball, and 1 that is not taped up, so that you can use the single and the double both. It's not hard to carry. It's only 3 small tennis balls. Still pretty portable. It's also much more affordable. A pack of tennis balls and some duct tape costs less than $5. That's it. Yeah. Wow, that was intense. So that's what FitBeast. I would not recommend it. You love pain? Go for it. I don't love pain. I don't love pain. I'm feeling that I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this for single ball, but I will demonstrate it for content.